777. My dearest child, be present to yourself. Be present in the moment and drop the rush. All the stress and anxiety comes from trying to do too much too soon. Wobbling with multiple things at the same time and trying to heal many lifetimes in a single moment. Remember to smell the roses. Be gentle with yourself and be present with one thing at a time. Gracefully move from one thing to another. Enjoy every moment and allow yourself to heal. Type I am present to affirm and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.